Welcome back to Bitcoin Question of the Day with me, Marc Kenigsberg. Today's question is, what is a Bitcoin ATM? So a Bitcoin ATM is an ATM cash machine, like we're all used to in any other currency, and allows you to withdraw Bitcoin from your wallet into fiat or into dollars or your local currency, and allows you to also buy using local currency and send that directly to your Bitcoin wallet. From a user experience perspective, Bitcoin ATM works like any other ATM. You walk up to the machine, put in your details, say what transaction you want to do, and the machine takes care of the rest behind the scenes. The only difference is that a normal ATM is just dispensing money. So there's a set amount of money, you choose the amount you want out of the machine, and it gives it to you. A Bitcoin ATM is actually a Bitcoin exchange. So depending when you go to the machine, the exchange rate will be different. And what is happening is that behind the scenes, the machine is actually doing a physical exchange of Bitcoin for fiat or fiat for Bitcoin based on an exchange rate that it has linked to a Bitcoin exchange. So again, what is a Bitcoin ATM? Very simply, it is a machine that lets you draw out money from your Bitcoin wallet or to buy more Bitcoin and load up your Bitcoin wallet. It works like any ATM you're used to. You have to have a Bitcoin wallet to be able to use it. And it's a very, very easy way to get your hand on some cash out of your Bitcoin wallet without having to go through an exchange or having the money sent to your bank account. Subscribe to this channel for more questions of the day. And if there's something you'd like me to answer, put it in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer it in an upcoming question of the day. Until then, I'm Marc Kenigsberg and you've been here for your Bitcoin question of the day.